Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is session 7 of C programming language. Today we are going to learn features of C programming language. C is general purpose or multi-purpose programming language. Hence, C is also called as generic language. C is procedure-oriented programming language. Procedure is nothing but subroutine or small program. Procedure is also called as module. Procedure is nothing but one block. Now, C is partially portable programming language. Why C is partially portable programming language? In session 6, we have learned that C is machine independent, but C is platform dependent. Hence, C is not fully portable programming language. Now, C comes with rich set of operators. Now, C comes with several predefined functions whose prototype, nothing but declaration, is already defined in header files. Predefined functions are also called as built-in functions. Predefined functions are also called as built-in functions. Example, printf is predefined functions whose prototype is already defined in stdio.h header file, and clr_scr is predefined function whose prototype is already defined in conio.h header file. strcpy function is predefined function whose prototype is already defined in string.h header file. Now, C supports user-defined functions. User-defined function is nothing but the function which is developed by developer based on client requirement. Now, C is simple because it is high level programming language. High level languages are created using English words. Hence, it is easy to understand. As it is easy to understand, it is easy to learn. Now, C language support low level features like bitwise operator. Hence, C is also called middle level language, as C language combines both low level feature and high level feature. It is multi-purpose programming language. As C is multi-purpose programming language, it is also called as generic language. Now, very important note, low level features are used to develop system software and high level features are used to develop application software. As C combines both low level feature as well as high level feature. Hence, we can say that using C programming language, we can develop both system software as well as application software. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.